That's horrifying. Why is he not scared? What is going on, everybody? This is a new reaction video, not a trailer nor a try not to. This is a reaction to something I've been watching for a very long time. So I'm reacting to top 15 scariest emergency alert system. This is really creepy video. So 4 million views. So right now I just because of that, I took out emergency system alert about Hurricane Hilary. I hope that everyone's fine. No one gets outside and gets themselves killed or anything. But my gear should be arriving sooner, and I'm planning on going on a book off next Sunday with my friend, and practically I will be letting you know that Jurassic World Primal Ops is being delayed, or I'm sorry, not delayed, halted in production. There's no release date for Primal Ops yet, but I will continue with Rodan Lifespan. So anyway, for the reaction, let's go.
15. Amber Alert.
Yo. Someone in the comments said that this person, the kids kidnapped in this video, did not make it alive.
Authorities have some access to the emergency alert system in use with missing children. These alerts are often
this literally aired on PBS Kids.
In 1996, Amber Alerts can be used to share information of missing or abducted children on a country or statewide level. Most of these alerts describe the missing child and any information of their last whereabouts. Uploaded in 2016.
Whoa, I was like 13 that time.
Children's show Arthur. The description reads, "This
sad that the show ended. It's a really good show, but scary alert."
Was broadcast on WFWA DT2 in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Ironically, during an imagination sequence on the show Arthur, in which Arthur and DW are about to be captured by the evil rat bird.
This is horrifying. This is so horrifying. Yikes.
Aside from the common discomfort of these alerts, the episode in which it aired is indeed ironic and unsettling.
Yo, that is so crazy.
Nickelodeon.
It'd be awful if they didn't hire you. Carlos.
Yo.
The National
Yo, that is creepy.
System test is designed to run on any and all programming at the same time, regardless of what is being aired. This footage shows the test from 2011 being aired on Nickelodeon, a popular kids channel, during an episode of The Fairly Odd Parents. A message
That's horrifying. That's gonna give kids nightmares.
to warn of the upcoming test. Perhaps this is
Because it's even worse.
Viewers. Of course, the problem is that most viewers are children and likely couldn't read or would simply not pay attention to the warning. A few moments later, the test is aired, complete with loud tones. While the test is required, you can imagine some kids were confused or even scared during the message and probably thought something was seriously wrong.
Yo, that is nightmare fuel. Yo.
There's not much that can be done about this, but it goes to show the strange fear associated with it. Number 13. End of times.
Oh my god, that is horrifying.
Unfortunately,
yo,
pranks or hoaxes.
Holy cow, like so good. That better be a hoax, cause never gonna happen. The still goes for not discontinue DVDs. Don't discontinue DVDs. You know, cause an apocalypse.
Of the actual system, the message warned that the world would
Hey,
end
crack my back.
September 23rd. A few days after the broadcast was aired, the date was predicted at the time to be the date a random planet would collide into the Earth and destroy it. The message not only warned of the doomsday, but also hinted about an uprising erupting between citizens.
Yo, that is insane.
investigators were unsure if the broadcast came from a hacker or was caused by interference of a nearby radio station. Many thought the voice resembled a nearby evangelical pastor who had his own radio show and often preached about the end of times.
Yo, that's so sinful.
It's unsettling to consider the confused citizens when the message was forced into their homes. Number 12. Phone EAS. After the rise of cell phone popularity, the emergency alert systems was integrated into cellular messaging apps so that alerts could be sent to phones as well as
they had before
over the air.
Ah, that's horrifying.
This makes it possible for alerts to reach people that are not near TVs, and also helps with smaller scale messages like Amber Alerts and weather warnings that are local. Despite how useful
I just got that
are,
like yesterday.
Their intent for your safety, it can still be scary in the middle of your work or sleep if you haven't.
Oh, my cousin. That's my friend. I'm not my cousin. My friend Marisol.
This video, posted by Jack McCullum in 2015,
is he doing his homework or something?
Shows what emergency alert system messages look and sound like on two different iPhones. They certainly complete their intended task of grabbing your attention.
That's horrifying. How is he not scared?
Number 11, CNN EAS test.
That's horrifying.
November 2011, the
That's
nationwide
horrifying.
emergency alert system was tested for the first time, though many news and radio stations warned of the test beforehand. Some viewers were still taken aback by it. Additionally, this test seemed to fail in various ways, which leaves citizens concerned about the effectiveness of the system during a real emergency. This video uploaded shows the test as aired on CNN.
Oh my god.
The message began by freezing the programming, emitting several warning tones, and displaying the message, "This is only a test," several times across the screen. In addition, a narration explaining the test and the use of the system was played.
Yo! What the fuck? What the fuck?
After about 30 seconds,
PUBG, you are in. You feel like a nightmare.
However, in some locations,
You're like in a nightmare or
was not
something.
played at all. Some broadcasts lost audio, failed to freeze programming, or did not let the clip run for exactly 30 seconds. In fact, apparently, some broadcasts lasted 6 times as long as intended. Overall, the test was considered a failure. Number 10. Civil emergency.
That's horrifying.
This short video shows the civil emergency alert message on TV, appearing on May 22nd, 2011. According to the uploader, this would have been more suited as a tornado watch, but since it was originating from the city of Elgin, they issued it as a civil emergency message.
Emergency services clear.
That is scary.
There's a clear difference between a tornado watch and civil emergency message, so seeing a message like this could be very disturbing, as civil emergency messages are only used in times of significant threats to public safety. This could have caused a panic in the surrounding area. Number 9. Sesame Street.
Jeez. Poor kids.
Another prime
Poor little
example of how
kids.
strange the emergency alert system can be comes from this 2012 footage. The description explains that the user's children were watching Sesame Street around 10 a.m. when the alert aired. The message was a tornado drill test that aired
That's the
in
morning.
Norfolk, Illinois. It helps to demonstrate how the loud tones used in these tests can be quite bothersome and disturbing.
Teach me the flamingo.
The flamingo is.
Tornado warning for all Illinois counties until 10:15 a.m.
Why do you use that
Tests
voice
like
though?
This is necessary for viewer safety, but such a sharp noise early in the morning is still agitating. Number 8. Regular testing.
That's horrifying.
For TV lovers, or even those of us that love having our favorite shows on as a background noise, weekly or monthly tests for local alerts are common and even expected. Some people have become quite indifferent to the alerts, but others are still...
Funny story, I was listening to Venom by NMN, and then right when in the middle of something, right in the middle of the song, an emergency alert just came by on my phone. I was at my cousin's house. It was scary.
Bothered by it after years. This video, uploaded in 2012, shows a run-of-the-mill test that aired during daytime TV. The interesting thing about videos like this is seeing how tests and alerts differ from state to state.
Yo.
Sometimes the tests are weather-oriented for location. For example, areas with common flooding usually test their flash flood warning. Other locations test for tornado drills and so on. Number 7. 1992 LA riots.
Dude. LA riot? 1990s.
From April 29th
Yo.
to 4th in 1992, riots broke out across Los Angeles, California, known as the Rodney King riots and the Battle of Los Angeles. The riots sparked after a trial acquitted 4 LAPD officers of usage of excessive force.
It's like the Black Lives Matter.
Arrest of Rodney King. On the second day of rioting, the emergency broadcast system was used statewide for the first time ever to warn of the chaos.
Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center has announced
That's scary, but that's no way to protest about the Black Lives Matter or something like that.
of East Los Angeles, as well as the entire city of Los Angeles, continues to be included.
Dude, that's
The
horrifying.
itself simply interrupted regular programming with a loud tone. It released information about the riots,
Oh my God.
locations that were closed or affected, and implemented a curfew. By the end of the riots, there were 63 reported passings,
Dude.
2,383 injuries, and over 12,000 arrests.
90s is crazy, but 90s has
Number
good,
6.
like,
Hacking.
fashion though.
Civil authorities in
Dude!
have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising.
That's gotta be fake. That is fake.
Determined hackers can unfortunately gain access to emergency alert systems on local levels. Over the last few
Dude.
decades, several false messages have been aired to
That's
users.
illegal.
Some have warned the end of times, and others are less serious. This one,
Dude.
for example, warns of a zombie outbreak.
Dude.
2014.
Civil authorities in your area
Where was this at?
that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves.
Where was this at though?
The description reads, the emergency alert system computers at the KRTV television station
Dude.
in Montana were hacked last year.
Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information.
I have trust issues
Do
now.
not attempt to approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. This warning applies to all areas receiving this
Dude.
The uploader also states that the prank was highly illegal, and that is
It better
very
be.
true. We were unable to find any information on who the hacker was and if they were ever charged.
Tune in to 9:20 a.m. to get updated information in the event that you are separated from your television or if electrical service is interrupted.
Number 5. Tornado warning.
I got the 2. 4 dudes. When was this?
Another flaw of the emergency alert system that often frightens viewers is the narrations that accompanies the video. While most information is displayed via text, a voice recording is often included for viewers that have sight problems. Of course, these voice clips are often very low quality, muffled, distorted, or impossible to understand. This
Dude.
2014 upload shows a local tornado warning in which the narration is very muffled. The viewers sit around and laugh at the footage. but also express how
You're laughing at the
message
footage?
is overall.
It's like I'm laughing at Grimlock's design in the DS version of Fall for Cybertron or Fall of Cybertron, because of Grimlock version. Okay, why am I talking about that?
Aside from the obvious fact that these
Ouch.
voiceovers are nightmare fuel,
They are.
also pose an
They're
unsettling
fucking nightmare
problem
fuel.
with viewers that can't see the text.
Scratch myself.
Imagine hearing this blaring warning without being able to understand the cause. Number 4.
Dude.
Radio alerts.
He disrupted your country music. Hey, oh, that's Sizzlers?
Perhaps more off-putting than TV alerts. Radio alerts are also a common tool. Obviously, with radio alerts, there's
Okay,
no text
that was
to
7th grade. I got that alert when I was listening
So
to.
instead, they are met with
What's the radio
unexpected
call?
loud tones and the muffled voiceover.
Forgot the radio call that I was listening to, and I got the radio alert. Amp Radio, if I remember. I think it was Amp Radio. I was hearing that flood alert.
Text. Oftentimes, the warning is played for several seconds before a message.
That is
is
insane.
shared. If you aren't expecting a test, or you're unaware of what is causing the message, you are forced to wonder
Radio
if you're in danger
signal
or
alert.
not while driving on the road. This can cause great anxiety and panic in listeners and could potentially cause accidents, though none have been directly reported. This
Dude.
video was uploaded in 2016 and shares an FM radio EAS test while the user was driving. Number 3.
Dude.
911 outage / radio.
A 911 landline outage has occurred in Butler County. Residents should call 724.
This video, uploaded in 2014, shares the rare radio broadcast of a 911 outage. This
Those are real?
alert is
Holy
used to
shit.
warn
That's
citizens
horrifying.
that 911 cannot be reached. The message is aired across TV, radio, and cell phones. The message occurred in Butler County, Pennsylvania.
282-1221 or go to your local fire, police, or ambulance station to report an emergency.
It is clearly enough to startle a driver, and in addition, the sheer fact of knowing that 911 access is down can be worrisome. On the bright side,
That's worse.
at least in this broadcast, the voiceover is crisp and clear, so the message doesn't have to be decoded. Number 2, shelter in place.
At Sussex Airport, it was sunny.
Jesus Christ. Right next to your Percy Jackson books?
Shelter-in-place warnings are used when chemical, biological, or radiological contaminants.
That's scary.
released accidentally
But if it was a
or
Godzilla film,
into the
it's just a movie.
environment. When this warning is aired, residents should select a small interior room with no or few windows and take refuge there. These alerts are common in areas with many chemical plants in the event of an explosion, or if severe weather has caused damage to locations equipped with chemicals. This video shows NOAA systems blaring a shelter-in-place warning
No.
from 2014.
The Pennsylvania State Police are asking all residents of Barrett and Price Townships in Monroe County to continue
That's
to shelter in
horrifying.
place. Please do not go.
Systems like this are much more effective in sharing these alerts because the messages and instructions are much clearer. Number 1.
Yeah, number 1, yeah.
Hawaii missile hoax.
What?
U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Hawaii.
That's text-to-speech. Text-to-speech. No, no, no.
This is not a drill.
No.
This EAS was issued on January 13th, 2018. You may recognize this incident from the viral screenshot of the alert, stating that a ballistic missile was inbound, and to cease any doubt, the last sentence states this is not a drill.
That's
The
horrifying.
video shows the alert playing over a basketball game.
The U.S. Pacific
Even
Command
on
has
a
detected
Gravity
missile
Falls
threat to
show, I don't
Hawaii.
think it show it.
A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building or lay on the floor. We will announce when a threat has ended. This is not a drill.
Understandably, this alert caused mass panic in Hawaii. 38 minutes later, The alert was followed up stating false alarm.
Dude.
This was truly a horrible mix-up involving the emergency.
Dude, that's scary. Alright guys, so thanks for watching and make sure
This is an emergency alert system broadcast from Sturgeon. This is not a drill. If you watched the following video, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment and give a like. I repeat, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment and give a like. Thanks for watching this video.